Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today we're going to make a Ninja Turtle inspired cuff. And you're going to need some neon pony beads. Well, we're not going to use the pink, but red. I have some red and black pony beads. You're also going to need a perler and some little pizza perlers. I'm going to include these patterns at the end of the video. So if you want to stop the video and make these and then come back, or you can make the cuff, stop and then make them, however you prefer. And if you want a different turtle, of course you could change the color here. And we're going to start with this pattern here. I went ahead and got it started. So we're using red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So this is one set over here, and then I did another one. So you'll have two of each color, and in between 3 black. And I'm starting with 3 feet of string. So go ahead and cut off 3 feet of string. Put these beads on, and then you'll tie it. So if you want to pause the video and then come back. But once you have all your beads on, we're going to cut this little piece of string off. And you're going to pull your knot back behind the purple. And the needle is optional. We're adding 3 black, and we're going to go through the red. Three black, and we're going to go through the yellow. Oh, I'm flinging my pizzas. Okay, when you get to the end, you're going to go through 3 beads, the purple and the 2 black, to get to the middle black. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Now to figure out what beads we need to add, just look across here. We're on red, so our pattern's going to be black, red, black, and then you're going to go through the middle black bead. And we're going to do that for every color. Okay, the next one's yellow. You're going to go through the middle. Okay, so we're going to do that for every color and go all the way around. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this off camera, and then I'll be back to show you how to start the next row. Okay guys, I'm at the end here. I have my last beads. We're going to go through the middle black, the black and the red bead there. Okay, and now we're back to adding the 3 black. And you're going to go through the yellow. So we added 3 beads, and now we're going to go through the green. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this row, and then I'm going to do 2 more. So after we finish this set of black all the way around, we're going to go back to this pattern here where it's black, a different color bead, and then black. I don't know if that's making any sense. We need 3 more rows basically. So this is 1, and then we're going to go around again and then again. So we'll end up with all black. I'm going to go ahead and show you, but I'm going to do this part off camera. Okay guys, sorry for the confusion. I just can't leave every single step in, otherwise these videos will be like two hours long. Basically what you want is you want the cuff to be as wide as the perler. So this is what it should look like. You should have 3 X's with the colored beads, and then we have 2 full solid black X's right here. So 3, 2. So I went ahead and tied. So after you finish this last row, go ahead and tie your string just so the cuff kind of stays put. And on the perler, you're going to need to make some holes. I made 2 right there. So if you count in 4 on each side, you're going to make your holes there. And then just these 2 in the middle up here. We're going to take our needle and we're going to go to this black bead here after the green. And we're going to go through the furthest hole. And then we're going to go through this one. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And we're going to take our needle and go through. Well, really we need to get all the way over to that purple bead, but let's work on this first. So basically you're doing a circle around this middle black bead. You pull that tight, and that's what it looks like when it's on there. And then we're going to take our needle up to this purple. And we're going to add 1 of each color. So red, well, you know what, I might bring these over closer. Red, yellow, green. And I'm going to go ahead and add one of my pizzas now. And it doesn't really matter, just somewhere on the crust, you're going to go through. Oh, wait, you know what? I want it the other way. We're going to add the blue and then the purple. You know what? Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're going to add this when we come around. We're going to tie it up here later. So just let that hang. It should be fine. So here's our pattern. I put red, yellow, green, pizza, blue, and purple. Now we're going to go through all of these beads here. That's what it looks like. Now we're going to repeat the same thing on the red. So red, orange, green, pizza, blue, and purple. Okay, now we're going to go through the red. Three black and the yellow. Okay. Now we're just going to keep repeating that pattern on every color. I'm going to do one more on camera. We're going to go through the yellow all the way over to the green. That's what it looks like so far. Okay, guys, you're going to go ahead and do that 3 more times. And then I'll show you the next step. Okay, guys, I'm at the end here, and I have my last piece of pizza. And I forgot to mention that you need 7 of these. But this is what it looks like so far. But you should be... Oh, you know what I just realized? I'm out of the black. I need to be out of the red. Let's try that. Let's try that again. Whoops. Through the red. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, we're out of the red. We're going to go through all these outside beads. We need to get to where we tied that part on. We need to get to that black bead. So go ahead and go through all of these beads. Okay, so we're coming out of this black. We're going to go through this hole right here. And then you're going to go through, back through this one. And we're going to go through these two. And you're going to pull that tight and make a knot right here. And then you can cut that off. And if you push this down a little bit, it'll kind of make it round with the bracelet. But here's what it looks like, all finished. It's like, you know, it would be cute if you added like pizza party or something, have it say something fun. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.